LSST cam, or the camera that will go into the Vera Rubin Observatory, is in two ways a Guinness Book of World Records holder. So the lenses of the camera are about 1.6 meters in size, so a little bit smaller than the average person, but still quite large. It also has a record for the largest number of pixels in a camera. The camera itself weighs about 3,000 kilograms, sort of medium-sized car weight. The Vera Rubin Observatory at the end will study a variety of different scientific topics. But I mean, the main one, and the reason why all of the different partners have gotten together, is to really understand the nature of dark energy and dark matter in the universe.